Okay guys, we are at Ginza and we are going to a cafe that's viral for their creme brulee. Medyo malayong lakad siya guys. Medyo lumiliit na yung mga buildings dito sa area na to. Not like doon kung saan tayo nanggaling. And medyo nawawala na yung mga puno sa sidewalk. At this area, may mga buildings pa rin. Kasi medyo parang rural na tong part na to. Okay, this is it. And ito yung line. OMG. So ito yung kanilang menu. Fried sandwiches, all for $8.50. Tapos yun yung kukunin namin yung creme brulee. Kasi number 1 siya. So these are the sweets. Ito yung savory. And then they gave us this. If you scan this and leave a review, then show it to their staff, you get a free whipped cream sandwich. Konti na lang. We're crossing. Pero may pila pa rin here and ang haba pa ng pila sa likod. Oh, they're waiting for their food. Okay. Thank you. Okay, we're inside. We're ordering. That's the name pala, H.3. Oh my gosh, meron pala sa Manila. North EDSA. What? Okay, now we wait here, outside. Sumpit ka na yung daliri ko. Yay, we got it. This is the pistachio. Ito yung creme brulee. Go. We'll eat here sa park, I guess. Everyone's eating here. Go, taste. Ano nasa? Oh, it's good daw. Napa-second bite siya. Sarap. Mukhang masarap. Okay, let's try mine. May spoon silang binibigay. Not too sweet. Try natin yung bread. Sarap yung flavor nung bread. I think mas masarap yung creme brulee kasi matamis. Ito kasi hindi masyado. Can I try yung creme brulee? Ito lang. Okay, done. Ito na siya.